find something on YouTube that will match. So for the example, it says distribute 8 cookies evenly into 4 sets. So here's our 8 cookies. They've already made them into 4 sets. So it says 1/4 or 1/4 of 8 cookies is what? So we've put them in our 4 sets. So 1/4 of 8 is the same as saying 8 divided by 4 is 2. And you can see that there's 2 cookies in 1/4 of the set. So that's how they ended up getting that number. So 1/4 of 8 is 2, 2/4 of 8 is 4, 3/4 of 8 is 6 cookies, and 4 out of 4 or 4/4 of 8 is 8, or all 8 cookies were eaten. So here we have our question 1. So 1/3 of 15 is the same as taking that 15 and saying 15 divided by the denominator 3. So we know 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, so if 1/3 of 15 is 5, which we just figured out, 2/3 of 15 is what? And the one way that you can do that is you can take this number, your answer, and times it by this number here, and you'll end up with 10. So 2 times 5 was 10. Right, so let's try another guy together. So number 2, so 1/6 of 12. So you can take 12, divide it by the denominator of 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. So if 1/6 of 12 is 2, which we just learned there, then 2/6 of 12. So again, we take our answer and times it by the numerator. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, I'm gonna slide the camera down just so you guys can see a bit better on your sheets. So here for number 3, we have 1/4 of 16. So we take 16 divided by 4, and then 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 1/4 of 16 is 4. We times it to find 3/4 of 16 is 12. Number 4, we have 1/8 of 16. So 16 divided by a denominator of 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So 1/8 of 16 is 2. So we take our number and times it by the numerator of 5. So therefore 5/8 of 16 is 10. And for the last question on the front today is 1/6 of 18. So we take 18, divide it by the denominator of 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. So if 1/6 of 18 is 3, we want to know 5/6 of 18. So we times by the numerator. So 3 times 5 is 15. All right. So there's the front of your page. We're going to go over to the back of your page today and do the same thing up here at the top. Okay, same thing at the top. There's 2 word problems to work through carefully there. And then at the bottom, you're writing the fractions in order from least to greatest, but pay attention. The denominators are a different number. So you want to make sure you check that out first. And then here you're doing the addition wheel. So you take the number in the middle, you add it to the number on the outside, and you put the answer in the blue part. So 2 1/4 plus 6 3/4, and what your answer will be out there. You might need to simplify some of them and make your fractions a little bit smaller at the end, right? If you have any questions, make sure you ask on Google Hangouts later.